Today we will discuss about vapor compression and vapor refrigeration cycle. That is the comparison between the BCRS and VARS. Here in BCRS we used compressor to use the compress the refrigerant, and in vapor absorption refrigeration system compressor is replaced by absorber, pump and generator. The COP of BCRS varies from 3 to 5, and COP of BCRS is higher as compared to VARS. COP of VARS varies from zero point 0.3 to zero point 0.5. Lower COP for VARS. Third one is run on high grade energy bulk operated unit. To operate this unit, that is BCRS, we supply bulk to the compressor in BCRS, and in case of VARS, run on low grade energy or heat operated unit. This VARS run with the help of low grade energy, that is sun rays, or we can supply heat to run it, because in this we used absorber, pump and the generator. To operate this unit we have to supply heat to the generator. So it used low grade energy or called heat operated unit. Fourth one is in BCRS, moisture related problem is severe, because if wet compression takes place, then the compression started from wet region, that is the mixture of liquid and the vapor. So in this case BCRS, moisture related problem is severe, but in case of VRS we used pump, so there is no severe problem related to moisture, so in this case relatively lesser. Fifth one is chances of leakage of refrigerant is higher in BCRS, because the COP of this varies from 3 to 5, so that we have to supply more amount of work from lower pressure to high pressure to compress the refrigerant. So the chances of leakage of refrigerant is higher, but there is relatively lesser, because we used absorber pump and the generator. So here we have not required to compress the refrigerant. So COP of this varies from 0.3 to 0.5, so the chances of leakage of refrigerant is lesser. Sixth one is more noisy. To operate the unit of BCRS, we used compressor, and to operate the compressor, we have to supply work, and to compress the vapor refrigerant, we have to use compressor. So the problem of noise is more, that is more noisy BCRS unit, and we used pump, and pump handle the liquid, that is the specific volume of liquid is lesser as compared to vapor, so we have to supply less amount of bulk, or we can neglect the bulk of the pump for VARS at the time of calculation COP. So this unit is less noisy or create less noise pollution. In case of BCRS, heat rejection occur only in condenser, because in BCRS there are four devices: evaporator, compressor, condenser and the throttling valve. So heat rejection occur only in condenser, but in case of VARS, heat rejection occur at two places, one in absorber, second one in condenser. So heat rejection occur in condenser and the absorber in case of VARS. Next one is more wear and tear. If the wet compression takes place in the compressors, then the chances of pass out of the lubricant for compressor is more, so that the chances of wear and tear more, and chances also of wear or damage the body of the compressor and valve. So it is in this case more wear and tear, chances of more wear and tear. But in case of relatively lesser, because in this case the problem related to moisture is not severe in case of BARS. So if liquid or vapor refrigerant come into the pump or in the heat exchanger, that is condenser, so there is no severe problem related to moisture, so chances of wear and tear is less. Next one difference is only refrigerant is used in this cycle. This is our closed cycle, so we used only refrigerant. The example of refrigerant is R11, NH3, R12, R22. These are the example of refrigerant which we can use in this cycle. But in case of VARS, that is vapor absorption refrigeration system, we use pair of refrigerant and absorber, because refrigerant is used as a working fluid and the absorber is used to absorb the refrigerant in the absorber. So we used in this case pair of refrigerant and the absorber. There are two pair. The most commonly used pair is NH3 and H2O, where NH3 act as refrigerant and H2O act as absorber. And the second one is H2O and brine, where H2O act as refrigerant and brine act as absorber. So are some common difference in the vapor compression refrigeration system and the vapor absorption refrigeration system. Thank you.